Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I've been seeing in the comments where I have several viewers and subscribers that are outside of the United States that are looking for work from home jobs. Now, my specialty is working as a hiring manager in the United States, so finding remote jobs within the United States is really my specialty, but occasionally I do come across some of those that are worldwide, and this is one of them. It's also entry level, so doesn't really require a whole lot of experience. We're going to dive all in. The links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. If you want to read reviews on the company or get that application in, I do just ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button, and please share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job, though, is from the company Invisible Technologies. They are like an AI, artificial intelligence technology company. They do have 176 reviews from people who have worked for them currently or in the past on Glassdoor, and they have an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an advanced AI data trainer. Again, they are hiring remote work from home worldwide. So no matter where you live, you can work for them. This is also going to be great for those of you who maybe have a home base or live in the United States, but you travel a lot. So you want a job that you can work when you're out of the country traveling. But you're basically going to be working with a team of other data trainers. Y'all are going to be trying to work together to develop the world's leading AI. So you are going to be training this artificial intelligence to read, write, and summarize knowledge, and then have like a human brain interpret the meaning of these. So it's completely non-phone. They say you can think of it by being like a language arts teacher or a personal tutor for some of the world's most influential technology. You're going to spend the bulk of your time generating examples of ideal conversations. You'll act both as the user and the AI for these conversations for the AI to learn from. You'll collect sources, helping it read large swaths of human documented knowledge and helping this artificial intelligence distinguish the difference between what is presented as fact versus context versus patterns of behavior. So you're basically going to be categorizing all of these things, helping the AI learn what is what. So this is going to require a lot of like creative writing, coming up with creative conversations. So it's going to require a lot of typing. Now, as far as what they're looking for, it is an entry-level role. They say it's perfect for readers early in their careers or people who are switching careers and want to enter a technology field. So they're not really requiring a whole lot of past experience. It is entry-level. Pay is between $15 to $20 an hour. They're just asking that you be somebody who lives to learn. You love learning. Somebody who can't wait to try new things. Somebody who likes a language deeply, so like that conversation, that English language, things like that. Someone who's expressive with their thinking, so an expressive personality, and they're looking for somebody who wants to get to the bottom floor of technology that's already fundamentally changing the world. So someone who is interested in seeing where AI goes. So you really just need to have a passion for artificial intelligence and the advanced technology that is up and coming in this world. Now, one thing to quickly note, even though they're hiring worldwide, they are asking for people to be available to work during either Eastern Standard Time or Pacific Standard Time zones. So you'll have to convert whatever time zone you're living in to those times to make sure that they're going to work for you. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Sometimes it does take me a while to find something that meets the needs, but I am always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.